If you're like me and you go to the pencil tool in Affinity Designer and you think, why isn't it producing anything that's pretty amazing? The line is very just bland, sort of all the same width. Well, I want it to actually vary in the width. So how can I do that? Well, this is how, PC or Mac. So if I go over here, this is the pencil tool, and just apply it. And you can see as I apply it, now, at the moment it's 34. That's it. That's the only option. You think, very strange. Well, you actually can get around that by simply going over here. Just go to the pen tool, and in the pen tool, you've got this option. Just go along here, click here, and you've got width, you've got all the various settings. You've also got pressure. Just click here, and you've got this lovely pressure profile. The pressure profile is a great little way of sort of changing the width of your lines. So you can just change it so you can make it slightly thicker, slightly thinner. And you can use that in a variety of other areas, not just like with the pen tool, but you can also use it with the pencil tool. So just click here, and then I'm just going to reduce this down, just very quickly, put it down to there. And you can, of course, create all kinds of additional ones. You can add different points here, add points there, and create a variety of different lines. Well, once you've done that in the pen tool, just go over here to the pencil tool, and in the pencil tool, now apply your pencil. And you can see now you get this lovely, beautiful pencil stroke, far nicer than the original sort of standard width line. Let's apply it again. And you can see now you get this sort of design. And of course, what you can also do is you can go and apply appearances as well to create even more unusual and beautiful lines. So window, and go down to appearance. And in appearance, you can add additional strokes to that. And that really does create many amazing designs. Please check out my other videos on the appearance panel. So that's how to quickly create a beautiful line or stroke in Affinity Designer using the pencil tool. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.